Friends, myself Renu Rathi from Shri Rama Bharati Public School. As we have already completed our two topics of maths regarding number theory and the form of p by how to reduce in the form of p by q. For today's form of p by q. For today's class, our topic will be how to convert the mixed reoccurring decimal in the form of p by q form. First of all, let me take one example to solve the same. 1.23. This time the bar is only on 3. In the last class, what we have done, if the bar will be on both the numbers. But this time the bar is only on one number. We are having 2-3 method to solve these kinds of question, but we are going to use our method that we have already done in the previous class. So what we will do, first we will make the question as we have done in the last class. As the 2 is not having the bar, but 3 is having the bar. So what we are going to do here, we are going to shift this to this side. First step will be remain same. Let x is equal to 1.23 bar. Now what we will do, we will shift this to this side. And 2 means one digit number. So how will we shift this to this side? Multiply both sides by 10. So what we will do? Multiply both sides by 10. Then it will be 10 into x is equals to 10 into 1.23 bar. 10x is equals to 12.3 bar. As you all know that when we will multiply with 10, one number will be shifted before the point. Now this question is same the question that we have discussed in the last class. After point, every number is having bar. After point, one number is there and it is having bar. It means this is the same problem that we have done. So this time our answer will start from this point. This is our equation number 1. Now bar is on one number, so multiply both sides by 10. This 10 that we have multiplied, this 10 is just to shift this to this side. But now we have to solve the question, and the question started from this point. So what we will do, we will multiply both sides by 10. So what we will do here, 10 into 10x is equals to 10 into 12.3 bar. This is 100x. What about this? It will be 123.3 bar. This is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1 from 2. So just subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Bar minus bar, same number minus same number, 0. Then it will be 111. And what about this? It will be 90x. So what is the value of 90x? It is 111. Now what is the value of x? 111 upon 90. X means the value that we have taken from the question. We have just written is at let. So this will be our answer. 1.23 bar is equals to 111 upon 90. Let me take one more example to solve the same type of word problem. I think this one is clear to you. So let me take one more example of the same. In the next question, what we are going to do, we will take one more example that is having bar like 2.254 and bar is on two numbers now. Bar is on two number but not on the this 2. So what we will do, let x is equals to 2.254 bar. As 2 is not having the bar, so our first step will be, we will shift this to this side by multiplying. Multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. If you want to shift two numbers this side, then multiply both sides by 100. Then it will be 10x is equal to 22.54 bar. Our question will start from this equation now. After decimal, every number should having bar. Now we are having after decimal, every number is having bar. Bar is on two number. So what we will do? Multiply both side by 100. Multiply both sides by 100. Then it will be 100 into 10x is equals to 100 into 22.54 bar. 100 into 10x is 1000x. 100 into this means 2 zeros, 2 number will shift this side. 0.54 bar. This is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1. Subtract equation 1. Then write down equation number 1. 10x is equals to 22.54 bar. Now same number minus same number is 0. Subtract these number. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 means 15. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 2 and 2. Here we are getting 990x is equal to this. So what we will write now? 990x is equals to 2232. Then x to 2232. So this 990 will be shifted here. You can easily divide these two numbers. First you can divide it by 9. This is 110. Now you can divide, when you will divide this number by 9, then 9 2s are 18, then 4 will be here. When you will divide it by 4, then 8. Now 248 upon 110. Again they are divisible. 124 upon 55. So what is our answer? 2.25 bar. The answer is 124 upon 55. That is in the form of P by Q. So this is the method that how we will convert the mixed reoccurring decimal in the form of P by Q. First, just shift the number that is not having bar this side. After that, the same process that we have done in our last class. Clear class? Thank you class. So this is the method that how to convert mixed reoccurring decimal in the form of P by Q form. First step is just shift the number that is not having the bar sign before the decimal. If one number is there, multiply both sides by 10. If two number will be there, multiply both sides by 100. 3 numbers will be there, multiply both sides by 1000. After doing this step, your question will be 10x is equals to 22.54 bar. It means after decimal, every number is having bar. Because without bar numbers, we have already shifted on this side. So this number will be reoccurring decimal in the form of P by Q. Mixed word we have removed from here now. So how will we convert it? The same process. Bar is on 2 number, multiply both sides by 100. After multiplying both sides by 100, we get 2 equations. Subtract equation number 1 from 2. When you will subtract it, your answer will reduce in the form of P by Q. And just listen this point very carefully. If at the end the P by Q form is not in the simplest form, then reduce in the simplest form. Our answer will not be this. Our answer should be 124 upon 55. So this is how that you have to solve the question. The same homework I have given related to this topic. So you all have to collect your homework from the given folder that we have already told you. And after completing the homework, we will move to the next topic. So that's all for today class. Thank you.